In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get real-time finance data in Google Sheets. If you want to track your stocks like a pro without installing anything extra, I'll show you the two fastest ways to pull live finance data right inside your spreadsheet. First up is the simplest option, the @ symbol. Click into any cell and type the @ sign, then start typing the name of the company you're interested in. A menu will appear. Scroll to the Finance section and choose the matching company. Google Sheets will insert a Finance Smart chip. When you hover over that chip, you'll see a live price, the market cap, and a small daily chart that updates automatically. It's perfect for quick, at-a-glance monitoring. If you see multiple companies with similar names, pick the one that matches the ticker you expect. You can copy or move the chip like any other cell content, and it's great for dashboards where you want fast context without building formulas. Now, for more control, use the formula approach with Google Finance. In a cell, type Google Finance followed by the exchange and ticker in quotes, like Google Finance, NASDAQ AAPL. Google will instantly pull the current trading price for that stock. If you already know the symbol, you can also use just the ticker in quotes, and Sheets will often figure out the exchange for you. You're not limited to the current price. Add a second part to the formula to request specific attributes. For example, to see today's opening price, type Google Finance, AAPL, price open. To see the day's high, type Google Finance, AAPL, high. You can repeat this in separate cells for each attribute you want, or reference the same ticker across a range. If you prefer your numbers formatted as currency, apply a currency format to those cells so everything looks consistent. The best part is that these values update automatically every few minutes while the market is open, so your sheet stays fresh. Keep in mind that some exchanges provide quotes with a slight delay, and after hours, you'll typically see the last available price until trading resumes. If a value doesn't appear right away, double-check the ticker, consider adding the exchange for clarity, and make sure your internet connection is stable. That's it. Two fast, built-in ways to get live finance data in Google Sheets. Use the etfs Smart chip for quick visual insights, and Google Finance when you need flexible, formula-driven numbers for your portfolio or dashboard.